Hi, this is James Taylor with Heritage Maine Real Estate. Real estate for buyers and sellers that want a relationship and a consultant, not a salesperson. So, for the past several years, I've been telling everyone that would listen, stop renting, start buying. Why are you going to make your landlord rich when you should be building your own wealth? This still applies to new buyers. That hasn't changed. It's still a waste of money to be renting an apartment right now. However, a few days ago, I posted a video to my social media accounts, and below you can see the account names, so please feel free to follow me. And while you're at it, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? The video stated that the newest trend that we are seeing is that sellers are selling while the market is high, then they're renting for a year or two, and waiting for the market to come back down a little. What do you think of this? What are your thoughts? Add them to the comments below. Love to see them. This strategy seems pretty smart to me. Sell high, buy a little lower. I had a deal fall through earlier this week because the sellers could not find a property and get an offer accepted. Now, either they were not offering enough or they weren't willing to waive certain contingencies. That's okay. I can't blame them on either case. But instead of selling now and renting, they're going to wait and take less money later for their home and pay less for a home. It's an even out. Why not take more money now, pay less later? If this strategy is something that interests you, please let me know. I'd be happy to review the numbers with you because it does not make sense for everybody. But for some people, it could be a big windfall. Thank you.